I am going to talk about Felix Mendelssohn, about my composition choice. When I was in junior high school, I played Mendelssohn's Song Without Words on the piano at recital and liked his beautiful music. Early life and musical education. Period is February 3rd, 1809, November 4th, 1847. Place is Hamburg, Germany. He was born into wealth and cultured family of Jewish and German. He was a musical prodigy and received a well-rounded education. Artistic growth and rise to prominence. Mendelssohn traveled throughout Europe. He was exposed to many musical traditions, and he integrated them into his own music. His fame as a composer and performer grew further. He was appointed musical director of the Berlin Academy of Arts. Compositional style. Mendelssohn's music is characterized by its tonal melodies, rich harmonies, and expressive emotional contents, drawing upon elements of both classical and romantic styles. He valued balance, clarity, and elegance. Next, I'm going to talk about Wedding March Mendelssohn composed. Wedding March is the most famous music played at wedding ceremonies. It was composed in 1842 for William Shakespeare's play A Midsummer Night's Dream. In 1858, it was used at the wedding of Princess Victoria, the eldest daughter of Queen Victoria and Prince Albert, to Prince Frederick William of Prussia. Since then, it has become a traditional piece of weddings, symbolizing the joyful union of two people. Wedding March's melody. The sounds of trumpet signal the beginning with a fanfare-like introduction. Following the fanfare, the main theme is played by string and woodwinds. This melody is stately and regal, and perfectly captures the feeling of a formal procession. It is characterized by a strong, rhythmic pulse, with the melody often accompanied by dotted rhythms and syncopated accents. The music builds to climax, with the full orchestra playing the unison, creating a sense of resolution and triumph. Conclusion. As one of the most influential composers of his era, Mendelssohn's contributions to music continue to inspire generations of musicians and audiences alike. Please remember this story at your wedding. Thank you for your listening.